To integrate Debank cross-chain support, start by understanding what Debank is and its role in cryptocurrency management. Debank is a comprehensive crypto dashboard that allows users to track their assets across multiple blockchains. Cross-chain support enables seamless interaction between different blockchain networks, enhancing usability and flexibility. First, you need to create a Debank account if you haven't already. This involves signing up on the Debank platform and setting up your profile. Once registered, you can proceed to connect your wallets. Debank supports a wide range of wallets, including MetaMask, Ledger, and Trezor, making it easy to link your existing cryptocurrency storage solutions. Next, navigate to the Debank dashboard and select the Wallets tab. Here, you can add new wallets or connect existing ones. When adding a new wallet, you will be prompted to select the blockchain network it operates on. Debank supports numerous blockchain networks, including Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Polygon, among others. After connecting your wallets, you can explore Debank's cross-chain features. One of the key features is the ability to track assets across different blockchains from a single dashboard. This means you can monitor your Ethereum assets alongside your Binance Smart Chain assets without having to switch between different platforms. To utilize Debank's cross-chain support for transactions, you will need to ensure that your wallets are properly connected and that you have sufficient funds. For the transaction, Debank provides a user-friendly interface for initiating cross-chain transactions, allowing you to select the source and destination blockchains, the type of asset you wish to transfer, and the amount. It's essential to understand the fees associated with cross-chain transactions, as they can vary significantly depending on the blockchains involved and the current network congestion. Debank provides estimates of these fees to help you make informed decisions. Best practices for integrating Debank cross-chain support include regularly updating your wallet connections to ensure compatibility with the latest blockchain versions and keeping your Debank account secured with strong passwords and two-factor authentication. In conclusion, integrating Debank cross-chain support is a straightforward process that enhances your ability to manage and interact with cryptocurrency assets across different blockchain networks. By following these steps and staying informed about the latest developments in cross-chain technology, you can leverage Debank's capabilities to streamline your crypto management experience.